guys, welcome back to Ina Dots. When I thought how to start this channel, I thought the best way is to introduce what is stippling art. So this video will be about the basics of stippling, what is stippling, and some do's and don'ts, and much more. So let's start with what is stippling. So stippling is a technique which uses dots of one color to create texture and details. So to make it in a simpler sense, stippling is a technique in which dots are used of a single color. So next is one mistake that we have to avoid while doing stippling is creating tails. So here this is a proper dot and this is what is called a tail. We have to avoid this as much as possible. So this was my first try on stippling, and here we can see tails. These are the things that we have to try to avoid, as this will give a shabby look. Let's see. So let's start. Hundreds of dots at one single place gives an illusion of a darker shade, and whereas fewer dots wide apart gives the illusion of a lighter shade. Here we can see how the variation in the concentration of dots bring about a contrast in the picture. This was one of my recent works. I'll be posting a time lapse of this soon, so stay tuned. So when we start stippling, we have a tendency to put more dots at a single place. So I wish I had known this before, like when I started stippling, that this scale that I use, this helps a lot. So I'll be showing the scale. So this is a scale from 0 to 9, and the concentration of the dot keeps on increasing. For 0 we are leaving the box empty, and this is the lightest shade. Whereas for 1 we can see the dots are spaced very far apart. So like this, the concentration keeps on increasing till 9. Also, we should make sure that our every box are evenly dotted. We can do so by squeezing our eye and checking. Here we can see in my 5th box, my many dots have coincided, and that looks like tails. And as we see here, the 9th box is the darkest shade, and there the dots are densely packed. So this is the scale. So the next trick that I would like to share is about holding the pen. If we hold our pen 90 degrees to the paper, it will help us dot more easily, and like this we can avoid tails also. So next, about the materials. For stippling, all we need is a good pen and paper. If we have that both, then we are ready to start. I prefer using watercolor paper because the absorption of ink is better in that. And for pen, I'm using Pigma Micron right now. So if you have a good pen and a good paper, you're good to start. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. That's it. Bye bye. So first, let's start with what is stippling. So stippling, to keep it so let's start. Today's if you put dots spaced, all you need to know is these things. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. What? Okay, smile. Okay.